Imagine this. You go to the store, grab your favorite snacks, and when you reach the checkout, your total makes your heart skip a beat. Yesterday it was $20. Today it's $25. Why is everything suddenly more expensive? That's inflation, and it's quietly stealing your money, your choices, and even your peace of mind. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how inflation works, how it hits everyone, even you, and the hidden ways it affects your daily life. By the end, you'll see money and prices in a completely new way, and you'll know how to fight back. Inflation happens when the prices of goods and services rise over time, making your money worth less. Think of money like a balloon, as more money is printed or as prices rise, the air inside spreads thin, and suddenly each dollar buys less than before. This isn't just about groceries or gas. Inflation affects your rent, your car, your favorite gadgets, and even the money you've been saving for the future. It doesn't care if you're rich, middle class, or scrimping to make ends meet. Everyone feels the squeeze. The scary part is that inflation often sneaks up quietly, so you might not notice it until your budget is already stretched. Think about Sarah, a mom working two jobs. Last year, her weekly grocery bill was $120. Today, it's $150. That's $30 she can't spend on her kids' school supplies or save for a vacation. And Sarah isn't alone. Millions of families are facing the same invisible pinch. Inflation doesn't just take money, it takes choices. It forces families to delay plans, skip small pleasures, or stress over basic needs. And if it continues rising, it can spiral into a cycle that feels impossible to escape. So, why does inflation happen? There are a few main reasons. First, supply and demand. When too many people want the same thing, but there isn't enough, prices rise. Second, rising costs. If it costs more to make something like food or fuel, the price at the store goes up too. Third, too much money in circulation. When governments print lots of money, each dollar loses value. Picture a teeter-totter. On one side, rising costs and demand push prices up. On the other, wages often don't rise at the same speed. That gap is what really hurts families. Here's something shocking. Sometimes inflation isn't obvious at all. You might feel fine today, but hidden inflation could quietly shrink the value of your savings by hundreds, even thousands, without you noticing. What you don't see can hurt you more than what you do. Later in this video, I'll show you exactly how to protect yourself. But first, let's look at how inflation affects everyone from families to millionaires. Even the wealthy feel inflation. When prices rise quickly, investments can lose real value. For regular families, groceries, rent, and gas take bigger chunks of income. And for savers, inflation quietly shrinks your bank balance. Imagine saving $1,000 today. 5 years from now, it might only buy what $800 used to. That's your hard-earned money fading away little by little. Inflation doesn't discriminate, and that's why understanding it matters for everyone, regardless of income. So what can you do to fight inflation? First, spend smart. Track your biggest expenses and look for substitutes or ways to cut costs. Second, invest wisely. Putting money in the right places like stocks, real estate, or inflation-protected accounts can grow faster than prices rise. Third, save strategically. Don't just leave cash in a standard bank account. Consider options that protect against inflation or diversify your savings. Knowledge is your shield, and action is your sword. By understanding how inflation works and planning carefully, you can protect your money and even grow it despite rising prices. The next time prices go up, don't panic. Ask yourself, how can I adapt? How can I stay ahead? Inflation doesn't have to be scary if you know the rules of the game. Take control, protect your money, and make informed choices. Your finances are yours to manage, and understanding inflation gives you power. If this video helped you understand inflation, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest money worry. I post videos that give you tools to take control of your money, your life, and your future. Don't miss out.